Hello everyone, this is Surya Pratap Singh from Pragmasis India, and in this video tutorial I'm going to tell you about the Kaizala connector developed by the Pragmasis. So now move to the configuration part, go to customization, solution, import the solution. This is provided by the Pragmasis and thus published to the CRM. Now move to the entity which are we just recently added. So here is the Kaizala configuration. Click on new. We need the details such as connector ID from the Kaizala portal. So go to the Kaizala portal. Now sign in here and just create a new group here. So I'm going to the group and create a new group. Here I'm giving the name of the group. So I'm using here the sales group. Just click on create. So as you can see here, one member is already there because I'm logged in with admin. So admin member is there. So I'm going to add some new member to this group. So I'm using one user, Mohit Mittal. Copy the mobile number. Just paste it here. Add user. So I'm adding some more member here. Now just go to the another user, copy the mobile number, paste it here and add user. So I'm taking here some user. I'm adding the 4 user in this group. Now these all are the register because they all have Kaizala app in their mobile. Then go to the connector and add a connector. Give the name of the connector. So I'm giving here sales group connector, which will create a connection between CRM and the Kaizala connector. So these are the permission here. So as you can see here, these are the permission which you can give to the user. Now just click on continue. I just created this sales group connector, so open it. So this is how it's look like, sales group connector, which I just recently created. These are some connector secret connection ID, the name of the connector. So go to the configuration and click on new. So these are the fields which we are going to fill here. So give the name of the some giving here sales group, which you can give anything. Now go back to the connector, open the connector. These are the fields in the CRM which we have to fill. Just copy the connector secret and fill in the application secret. Copy the connector ID and paste in the application ID. Generate the user token. Copy the token and paste in the refresh token. And this group ID. Now open the group which we created. So this is the sales group. We have to copy the GID of this group. So copy the GID from the link bar and paste into the CRM. Now go to the CRM and paste the group ID. Give the name of the connector, which is I created, so I'm giving a sales group connector. After that, save the configuration. So this is the configuration finished. Now move to the mobile part. So I'm showing here the mobile application view. So first you have to install the Kaizala application from your mobile, from your app source, and after that configure it. Give the permission action which the app is needed, and give the name and the mobile number which is required to use this application, and after that verify your number. Now as you can see here, the sales group is there, which is I created in the CRM, and the member is already there. So now I'm going to create some activity. Go to activity. So I'm going to create one Kaizala task. So I'm giving the name of the subject and give the name of the description. So let's finish it and give the due date and the regarding. Save this task and the click on Kaizala status. So it will update the status in application, mobile application. Open the sales group. So you can see here the task is there with subject and the description. So we have some functionality with the Kaizal application, which we can comment, like, and reassign the job and mark as complete this job. So I am completing as a mark as complete and send back the response to the CRM. Now move to the CRM and just update the status of the Kaizala. So I'm updating status, as you can see here. Now the activity status is completed. So this is how this Kaizala connector works. So thank you everyone.